Hello guys, ito ngayon ang gagawin natin. Double siya guys. Yung satin ribbon natin with lace. Lace ito guys. Yung gamit natin ngayon. Pero dinoble natin siya. Dito. Yan. Ganyan siya. Kaya pwede rin ganyan ang style niya guys. Oh. Ganyan siya. Dito rin sa kabila guys. Yan. Tapos dito. Ganyan siya guys. Maganda naman siyang tignan eh. Ayan. Pwede rin yung ganun yan na sinabi ko sa inyo guys. Ilagay nyo lang sa loob yung satin ribbon. Yung lace ang makikita. Yan. Ganyan siya guys. Yan. Samahan nyo ako guys. Gawa na tayo ng satin ribbon. Clip or rubber band ang pwede nating gawin guys. Hello guys, gawa na naman ulit tayo ng ribbon. Susukatin natin yung ribbon na gagamitin natin guys. Ito yung palapad niya guys. Tuwid. Tapos yung kahaba naman niya yung niya guys is 7 guys. 7 length siya. 6 pieces yung gagawin natin dito guys. Width niya guys, 2 din siya. Kalapad, tapos yung kahaba niya is 24 din siya guys. Kaya guys, gawin na natin. Ito lang naman yung mga materials natin guys. Lighter, scissor, thread, needle, at saka yung glue gun natin guys. Okay, samahan niyo ako guys. Double lang natin to guys. Ganyan siya guys.
Just evolving, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just evolving, reaching for something within you. Nights in California fly, passing homes, yeah, right by sunset colored sky. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty all of you.
Tapos tahiin lang natin dito sa gitna niya. Yun guys, tahiin natin dito siya. Dito sa gitna niya guys. Tapos yung isa pa. Ganun din gawin natin guys. Sukatin din natin siya. Tapos fold natin sa gitna niya guys.
Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California
Tapos naman ngayon ang gawin natin guys. Ito. I-fold din natin ulit siya guys.
Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay.
Ayan guys. Fold din natin siya.
Can we be together?
Tapos tahi ulit rito guys.
all the way? I know you feel this movement
Ayan,
right
tahiin
here.
natin siya
You
na
just
dito,
be
guys.
vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing,
Mabilis lang, guys.
reaching
Fold
for
lang ganyan, no?
something within
Ganyan lang, guys.
you. Nights in California fly, passing homes, yeah,
Guys.
right by sunset-colored sky. Chilling
Basta 3 yung
by the
tatahiin natin
ocean,
dito, guys.
driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty, all of you. You know it feels alright, alright.
6 to guys. 6 pieces siya.
Tonight, oh, tonight. Yeah.
Yan lang siya guys, oh. Dito siya. Fold lang dito guys. Tapos, yan. Fold uli. Tapos dito na yung tahi niya guys.
And this very second, I know you feel the beat.
Yan. Tapos na guys. 6 pieces to. 2 for 6.
Do you feel the rhythm all the way?
Tapos buhol natin dito siya guys.
Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way?
Nice. Tapos na.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something
Ano siya guys?
within you. I know you feel this movement right here.
Tapos,
You
lalagay
just
natin
be
ito siya guys.
vibing,
Dito niya. Sa gitna naman niya. Pero ito, ilalagay pa rin natin siya sa gitna guys. Ganyan siya. Lalagyan na natin siya ng glue ngayon guys. Dito, sa gitna niya.
Passing homes, yeah, right by sunset-colored skies.
Kita nyo guys, tapos lagyan natin ng glue rito. Wala na ata yung glue natin. Dito sa gitna niya. Para mas magandang tignan. Ito na guys. Kita nyo guys. Ubus na ata yung glue gun natin guys. Tapos, dikit natin dito sa gitna niya guys. Yan.
Can you see
Dito
the
siya guys. Yan,
vision?
dikit natin dito.
Everything in this world will be okay.
Yan na siya guys.
Can we be
Tapos,
together
ito idikit din
all
natin
the
dito yan sa gitna rin.
I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for
Yan siya, guys.
something within
Tapos, dikit
you.
ulit natin dito.
I know you feel
Kaya niya na
this
siya, guys.
movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California fly, passing homes, yeah, right by sunset-colored sky. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty, all of you.
O, yan na guys.
Feels alright, alright.
Tapos, lagyan na natin siya ng clip guys. Natin.
Tonight, oh, tonight.
niya guys. Lalagay natin dito. Pwede rin siyang rubber band guys ang pwedeng ilagay din.